It was my first morning in Bella Riva.
Why did you do that?
Aha! Those batteries look like they need replacing. Luckily, I have some spares.
Will you dream a dream for me if I sit by your side and hold
When it
you
finished,
so-
Izzy picked up the tape deck. The part I My first repair complete.
Will you be able to see the glue afterwards? I don't want people seeing the cracks. Sometimes I think my daughter should come with a warning label. Is this glue really strong enough to hold everything together? Thank you, Maria. It looks as...
Joseph's work. My second day in Bella Riva dawned bright and clear.
Obviously, we'd normally be much busier than this. You can fix it, can't you? I can't afford to replace it.
Looks like this new circuit board is all hooked up. When I handed the phone back to Carmen, she seemed almost reluctant to take it.
Actually,
The next day, I'd promised Carmen I'd return.
I don't suppose you've fixed anything this valuable before.
If I used the screwdriver, I could adjust the angle of the mirror. Perfect. Now the viewfinder should be working. felt a pang of envy as that didn't sound. The sun was setting over Bellariva by the time
I don't know, it's a bit, flat. Maybe if it flashes, it'll really catch people's eye.
Great idea! I think I have a spare part that could do that.
It still needs something else. Maybe we can add one of these.
It works! I'll screw everything together again and you'll be set. The sign fixed, we headed out. And with that, it was the day before the festival. The whole town was
Do grown-ups play games as well? Can you show me how to play? I tried before, but it was so hard.
her toy fixed. I watched Izzy retreat into its screen. I was so Leaving Izzy hiding in the garden, I walked around. Ah, the main plate has completely cracked. I'll need to replace it. The cogs look good, though. If I'm careful, I can reuse those.
Are you sure it will all fit back together? I've not gone a day without this watch since my wife gave it to me. As I handed the watch back to Joseph, my fingers traced over the engraving. I hoped it's quiet. When my last job of the day brought me to Carmen's apartment,
Oh, typical. Carmen's even managed to get a slide stuck in here.
that light bulb is okay. I'll need to redirect the light to the lens at the top for the projector to work.
I was so excited when I moved to the city. Carmen, she looked so sad. Here's the clicker you'll need to attach. God knows how Carmen broke that as well. When we were younger, Carmen was always following me around. I suppose she looked up to me. A cool older sister. She used to ask me when I was coming home, but I was always...
Helena was transfixed.
I know.
The day of the festival finally came, and after all... It all fits! Now to light the gas. think that pot is really boiling now. Smells great, if I say so myself. Here are the ingredients that Carmen's given me. What to add first? That looks good. I'll scoop a spoonful when I'm ready to serve. My part done, Carmen took over and added the finishing touches.
I just...
The festival finished. I only had one day. Okay, let's see what happens when we turn this on. That's the speed dial connected. Now we should be able to change it. I think that should do it. This record should play beautifully. It's spinning the wrong way. How can I get it to play in the right direction? It must be to do with the motor. Let's see if one of these spares can turn things around. Here's the problem. This wiring isn't connected properly. If I turn the volume up, I should be able to hear it now. Well, it's playing in the right direction. I should check it's turning at the correct speed. The record player's crackling tune must have caught, but the silence. My final morning in Bella Riva. Inside, the house was transformed. This mechanism is completely broken. I'll need to take it all apart before I can fix it. Perfect. The mechanism is good as new.
Maria, could you add this family picture of us?
I think that's everything back together again.
My wife
I should
used
play it to make
sing
sure.
this song to Izzy each night before bed, but I always work too late to join them. Will you dream a dream for me if I sit by your side? I've missed so much already. I want to be the...
My time in